Hi Reception. This week we have been reading Here We Are, Notes for Living on Planet Earth by Oliver Jeffers. This is our solar system. Well, one of the trillions of solar systems. We've got the sun in the middle, Venus, Mercury, Earth, Uranus, Jupiter, Mars, Saturn and Neptune. And this is where we are. And there's the moon. Don't forget about Pluto. Probably not to scale. Well, hello and welcome to this planet. We call it Earth. It is the big globe floating in space on which we live. We're glad you found us, as space is very big. Here's us, then 238,855 miles away. That's the moon. And then all of this is space. There is much to see and do here on Earth, so let's get started with a quick tour. The planet is basically made up of two parts. We have land and sea. So we've got rock and dirt and then water. Firstly, let's talk about the land. It's where we are standing on right now, and we know lots about the land. Some of it's hot. We have dry land, flat land, bumpy, pointy, cold, and really, really hot there. The volcano. Then there is the sea, which is full of wonderful things. We know a little bit about the sea, but we'll talk some more about that once you've learnt how to swim. Here's an iceberg with frozen water. Look above the water and below the water. This bit here goes nearly 7 miles deep, we think. There's a scuba diver down there having a look. Look at all those animals. This is also the sky, though that can get pretty complicated. So we spin around the sun, the moon spins around us. Sometimes the sky is blue, sometimes it's not. We have wind, clouds, rain, rainbows, storms, lightning. The stars up here, the planets, constellations of stars. We have the Milky Way, where there's millions of other stars and planets. Goodness me, there's a lot going on in the sky. Okay, let's move on. On our planet, there are also people. One people is a person. You are a person. You have a body. You also have a head, which has a brain. You have arms. You have a heart to pump around your blood, your belly, your lungs for breathing. You've got your legs and your bones, which hold it all together. Look after it, as most bits won't grow back. But these bits do grow back, our nails and our hair. The most important things for people to remember are to eat, drink and stay warm. I'm sure we all do those things, don't we? People come in many different shapes, sizes and colours. We may all look different, act different and sound different, but don't be fooled. We are all people. We've talked about that, how everybody in our class is different, but we are all people. And it's nice to celebrate our differences. There are lots of animals too. They come in even more shapes, sizes and colours. I'm not supposed to be here. They don't speak though. That's no reason not to be nice to them. Yeah, we have to look after our animals, don't we? Lots of different shapes and sizes and colours. Generally, how it works is that when the sun is out, it's daytime and we do stuff. And the rest of the time is nighttime when it's dark, save for the moon and we sleep. Please go to sleep. Most of the time we're asleep, aren't we? Things can sometimes move slowly here on Earth. Oh, that's a relaxing scene. Everyone relaxing, sunbathing, sitting in the pond, in the river. More often though, we move very quickly, so use your time well. The boats, aeroplanes, helicopters, all these cars. It will be gone before you know it. Though we have come a very long way. We haven't quite worked everything out yet, so there's plenty left for you to do. You will figure lots of things out for yourself. Just remember to leave notes for everybody else. We're always learning new things, aren't we? It looks big, Earth, but there's lots of us on here. There's 7 billion and counting. So be kind. There is enough for everyone. Well, that's planet Earth. Make sure you look after it because we've only got one. Now, if you do need to know anything else, just ask. I won't be far away. And when I'm not around, you can always ask someone else. Yeah, there's lots of people we can ask. Our mummies, our daddies, our teachers, all of our grown-ups at home. So many people we could ask stuff if we want to find out. You are never alone on planet Earth. Look, the list goes on and on and on. The end.